Hello, everyone, and welcome to Rani Cooks Desi, where you can not only learn the amazing Indian food but also cook it live with us. We send you ingredients list in advance so that you can keep it handy and cook live with us. So, today we are again going back to basics and we are learning something which often we just bring from the store, but we are just learning very easy way how to do it at home. So, what are we learning today? Let's know it from our chef and in house expert, Rani.
Hi, Purva.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are
Okay.
you?
I'm tired.
Are you?
Yes.
How come?
Uh, life.
life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We,
So,
yeah, all of us.
No,
no,
I'm
I'm
just
just
kidding,
kidding,
guys.
guys.
I'm
I'm
so
so
excited
excited
to
to
show
show
you
you
how
how
to
to
make
make
paneer
paneer
today.
today.
Amazing.
We
We
are
are
going to
going to
go
go
to
to
the
the
basics
basics
and
and
learn
learn
how
how
to
to
make
make
paneer.
paneer.
Yeah.
Paneer
Paneer
is
is
one
one
of
of
the
the
staple
staple
foods
foods
of
of
north
north
of
of
India,
India,
and
and
it's
it's
a
a
very
very
rich
rich
source
source
of
of
protein.
protein.
It is for vegetarians. It is a
Exactly.
very good source of protein.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah, but wow, making it at home. I mean, I always just bought it.
I
I
know,
know,
but
but
good
good
old
old
times
times
when
when
we
we
never
never
used
used
to
to
get
get
paneer.
paneer,
So we
so we
used
used
to
to
make
make
it
it
at
at
home.
home.
And
And
the
the
thing
things
we
we
used
used
to
to
use
use
is
is
good
good
old
old
fat
fat
milk,
milk,
whole
whole
milk.
milk.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
It's
It's
better
better
to
to
use
use
whole
whole
milk
milk
when
when
you're
you're
making
making
paneer
paneer
because
because
you're
you're
splitting
splitting
the
the
milk
milk
and
and
you're
you're
getting
getting
the
the
milk
milk
proteins
proteins
out.
out.
So
So
the
and
the
the
goal
goal
is
is
to
to
get
get
the
the
proteins
proteins
out.
out.
You
You
can
can
get
get
it
it
in
in
non-fat
non-fat
too,
too,
or
or
but
but
the
the
quantity
quantity
of
of
paneer
paneer
you'll
you'll
get
get
will
will
be
be
much
much
lower.
lower.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And
today
today
we
we
are
are
going
going
to
to
use
use
so
so
to
to
make
make
paneer.
paneer.
Oops,
Oops,
sorry.
sorry.
We
We
need
need
something
something
acidic.
acidic.
So
So
today we
today
are
we are
going to
going to
use
use
yogurt.
yogurt.
This
This
is
is
again
again
a
a
homemade
homemade
yogurt.
yogurt.
One
One
of
of
the
the
times
times
I'll
I'll
show
show
you
you
how
how
to
to
make
make
homemade
homemade
yogurt.
yogurt.
We
We
have
have
gone
gone
through
through
it
it
a
a
lot.
lot.
So
So
that's
that's
why
why
you
you
see
see
all
all
these,
these,
nicely
nicely
sliced
sliced
pieces.
pieces.
And
And
then
then
we'll
we'll
strain
strain
it,
it
and
and
we'll
we'll
go
go
through
through
the
the
whole
whole
process.
process.
Interesting.
So
So
let's
let's
get
get
started.
started.
Let's get started for
And
paneer.
ta-da!
Okay.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Will it work the first time?
Okay.
Okay.
It didn't. Okay.
Okay.
Second time
It
is the
did.
magic, and
And
we'll
we'll
start
start
with
with
whole
whole
milk.
milk.
Okay.
So
So
usually, I
I
just
just
go
go
and
and
so
so
we
we
are
are
using
using
about
about
2
2
cups,
cups,
and
and
this
this
is
is
about
about
2
2
cups.
cups.
When
When
I
I
say
say
it's
it's
about
about
2
2
cups,
cups,
it
it
is
is
about
about
2
2
cups.
cups.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Like huge 2 cups?
huge 2
2
cups.
cups.
Because
Because
more
more
is
is
better.
better.
Of course, with the paneer, definitely.
Because
Because
the
the
thing
thing
is,
is,
you
you
can
can
use
use
paneer
paneer
in
in
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
different
different
ways.
ways.
Right.
You
You
can
can
just
just
eat
eat
paneer
paneer
just
just
straight
straight
up,
up
because and a
and a
lot
lot
of
of
people
people
do.
do.
Yeah, I'm one
And
of those.
okay,
Yeah.
I know. When my mom used to make paneer, when
When
she
she
used
used
to
to
keep
keep
it,
it,
press
press
it,
it,
half
half
of
of
it
it
used
used
to
to
be
be
gone.
gone.
So
So
paneer
paneer
actually
actually
has
has
amazing
amazing
history.
history.
It
It
came
came
to
to
us,
us,
I
I
think,
think,
from
from
Persia, because and
Oh.
I think it's brought by Mughals in India. And I don't know how it started, but I think it must be somebody left the milk on camel's back, and it must have gotten bad and sloshed around too much,
Huh.
and maybe that's how paneer came back. Okay, so I don't know, but I think Portuguese got it to east of India, which is
Okay.
like Bengal, which is West Bengal, which is like really high on paneer. So they make a lot of desserts and lot of
Right,
things.
right, right.
Yeah, those white balls you see.
Bengali sweets. It's made of
Exactly.
chena called or paneer.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
Portuguese, I think, used to call it chena.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And Ayurvedically also paneer is really good because it has a lot of vitamins. It is very rich in protein,
Mm-hmm.
and it has minerals,
minerals,
and
and
basically
basically
it
it
helps
helps
in
in
tissue
tissue
repair
repair
and
and
muscle
muscle
fatigue.
fatigue.
And
And
it
it
has
has
been
been
actually,
actually,
the
the
in
in
Sweden
Sweden
there is
there's
a
a
university
university
called
called
Lund
Lund
University,
University,
and
and
I'm
I'm
sorry
sorry
if
if
I'm
I'm
not
not
pronouncing
pronouncing
it
it
right.
right.
They
They
have
have
done
done
a
a
study
study
in
in
which
Mm-hmm.
which
they
they
had
had
shown
shown
it
it
good
good
effects
effects
of
of
paneer.
paneer.
It
It
helps
helps
in
in
regulating
regulating
blood
blood
sugar
sugar
Oh,
in
in
type
type
2
2
diabetes.
diabetes.
okay.
And
And
you know, so
And it gives you glow.
I
I
know,
know,
look
look
at
at
us.
us.
I mean, actually, look
Look
at
at
us
us
next
next
week.
week.
Maybe we'll be glowing.
Yeah,
we
paneer eaters.
will just
Just
turn off the
turn off the
lights, and
like
next
next
thing
thing
you
you
know.
know.
So
Yeah.
what
What
I'm
I'm
waiting
waiting
is
is
for
for
the
the
milk
milk
to
to
boil.
boil.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So we took the regular milk and we just wanted to like come to boil.
Exactly.
Okay.
And paneer
Paneer
can
can
be,
be,
so
so
basically
basically
what
what
we
we
are
are
doing
doing
is
is
we
we
are
are
putting
putting
an
an
acidic
acidic
medium
medium
in
in
paneer,
paneer,
in
in
boiled
boiled
milk,
milk,
so
so
that
that
it
it
splits.
splits.
Okay.
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 So
So
like
like
you
you
can
can
use
use
scissors
scissors
if
if
you
you
want.
want.
Okay,
Okay,
that's another,
that's
that's a
a
good
good
way
way
to
to
split
split
milk.
milk.
Like,
Like,
I'm
I'm
sure
sure
you
you
all
all
have
have
done
done
that
that
at
at
home.
home.
And
And
other
other
sources
sources
you
you
can
can
use
use
acidic
acidic
are
are
like
like
lemon,
lemon,
lime.
lime.
You
You
can
can
use
use
vinegar.
vinegar.
Vinegar, white
White
vinegar
vinegar
is
is
one
one
of
of
the,
the,
things
things
you
you
can
can
use.
use.
And
And
then
then
you
you
can
can
use
use
citric
citric
acid.
acid.
And
And
you
you
can
can
use,
use,
to
to
make
make
paneer,
paneer,
you
you
can
can
use
use
like
like
cow's
cow's
milk.
milk.
You
You
can
can
use
use
buffalo's
buffalo's
milk.
milk.
Mm-hmm.
You
You
can
can
use
use
goat's
goat's
milk.
milk.
And
And I think
in
in
north
north
of
of
India,
India,
it
it
can
can
be
be
made
made
with
with
yak
yak
milk.
milk.
I've
I've
never
never
tasted
tasted
it,
it,
Oh,
but
okay.
but
I'm
I'm
assuming
assuming
it's
it's
amazing.
amazing.
Yeah.
So,
So,
and
and
then
then
let's
let's
see,
see.
is
Is
the
the
milk
milk
boiling?
boiling?
Yeah. So
Almost
Almost
now,
there.
there.
yeah. So now it actually paneer is eaten widely and extensively in India, right? North
Exactly.
Exact.
India and everyone we eat so much of paneer.
In
In
north
north
of
of
India,
India,
I
I
think
think
it's more
Common.
prevalent.
Yeah.
South of India, I think they have started eating paneer too. Like actually nowadays, you're right, everybody eats paneer,
Right.
especially the kids. And thanks to Britishers, now we have like paneer tikka masala. So, yeah.
Yeah. And we also did two-way paneer sabzi on our channel. Go check it out. Make fresh paneer at home using this recipe, and then do make two ways paneer.
I know.
So you can do that. Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Right.
I It's looking pretty white, guys.
So, so paneer is made from milk, and as we discussed in our last stream, that not the last, but like long before that, if you are lactose intolerant, if you cannot don't want to eat dairy, there's like brother of paneer, tofu.
Oh
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
tofu.
tofu.
Tofu
Tofu
is
is
a
a
good
good
substitute,
substitute,
Yeah.
which
which
is
is
also
also
a
a
rich
rich
source
source
of
of
protein,
protein,
as
as
you
you
all
all
know,
know,
I'm
I'm
sure.
sure.
Uh,
Um,
you
you
know,
know,
uh,
depend
like,
like,
but
but
protein
protein
content
content
in
in
paneer
paneer
is
is
much
much
higher
higher
Right.
than
than
tofu.
tofu.
It's
It's
about
about
like
like
20
20
grams
grams
versus
versus
tofu,
tofu,
which
which
has
has
like
like 7-ish.
7-ish.
Mm-hmm.
But
But
Right.
and
and
it's
it's
also
also
higher
higher
in
in phosphorus,
phosphorus, and
and
it
it
has
has
vitamin
vitamin
D,
D,
and
and
it's a
it's a
good
good
source
source
of
of
calcium,
calcium
Right.
and
and
of
of
course
course
fat.
fat.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Paneer definitely has higher fat contained than tofu as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah, but if you don't want to have like dairy products, or if you're lactose intolerant, tofu is a good
And
And
I
I
don't
don't
know
know
how
how
to
to
make
make
it.
it.
substitute.
Just
Just
that's
that's
my
my
disclaimer.
disclaimer.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
we
we
have
have
to
to
wait
wait
till
till
the
the
milk
milk
really
really
boils.
boils,
Okay.
And
and
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
show
show
you
you
how
how
to
to
boil
boil
the
the
milk
milk
and
and
remember
remember
it,
it,
because
because
in
in
next
next
episodes,
episodes,
we'll
we'll
use
use
this
this
boiled
boiled
milk,
milk,
okay?
okay,
All
all
right?
Uh-huh.
right,
To
to
make
make
other
other
things.
things.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
We use everything. We try to use so that none of the food is wasted.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
and
we
we
save
save
everything
everything
for
for
the
the
next
next
episode.
episode.
Yeah.
Like
Like
this
this
boiled
boiled
milk
milk
will
will
be
be
saved
saved
for
for
a
a
year.
year.
Right. And do write to us. I mean, do write to us what you want to see next. We'd be happy to recreate the recipe. So you can also send us, if you cooked something or cook live with us, send us your pictures at ranicooksdaisy@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you all. So yeah, looks like milk
It's
is coming
almost
to
Almost
there.
there.
boil. Yeah. So it's important that milk is boiled for this
Yes,
Yes,
properly. Okay.
because
because
you
you
want
want
the
the
milk
milk
to
to
split,
split,
and
and
if
if
you
you
add
add
in
in
and
and
if
if
you
you
want
want
to
to
have
have
like
like
big
big
chunks,
chunks,
they're
they're
called
called
muscles.
muscles.
Uh,
Um,
then
then
if
if
you
you
add
add
yogurt or
yogurt or
anything
anything
in
in
like
like
little
little
bit
bit
lukewarm
lukewarm
milk,
milk,
it'll
it'll
take
take
you
you
longer,
longer,
and
and
the
the
muscles
bicycles
will
will
be
be
much
much
smaller.
smaller.
Okay,
Okay,
so we
so we
are
are
almost
almost
there,
there,
Yeah.
and
and
depending on what you're using, uh, the consistency of paneer can be little bit different.
Hmm.
Okay, when you use vinegar, uh, it'll be slightly more chunkier, but little bit more
more
acidic
acidic
in
in taste
taste
Okay.
versus
versus
when
when
you
you
use
use
yogurt.
yogurt.
And
And
that's
that's
my
my
experience.
experience.
I
I
would
would
love
love
to
to
hear
hear
your
your
Yeah.
experiences.
experiences.
Oh,
There
there
you
you
go.
go.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
All
All
right.
right.
So
So
the
the
milk
milk
is
is
boiling.
boiling.
Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
So we
So
got
we
the
are
milk
going
to
to
boil, and then
we
We
are
are
going
going
to
to
use
use
2
2
tablespoon
tablespoons
of
of
yogurt.
yogurt.
okay. And if we were had to use vinegar for the similar quantity, how much vinegar should we use?
So
So
vinegar
vinegar
and
and
lime
lime
juice
juice
you
you
can
can
use
use
like
like
1 tablespoon
1
should be
tablespoon
good
Right.
should be
enough
good enough
Right.
for
for
2
2
cups
cups
of
of
milk.
milk.
So
So
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
just
just
stir
stir
it.
it.
Right. Yeah, and everyone, this yogurt is also handmade. As you know, as Masi already mentioned, if you want to see how to make it at home without any added preservatives or any other things that are added in the store-bought yogurt, do write to us.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
and
let's
let's
do
do
one
one
with
with
for
for
flavored
flavored
yogurt.
yogurt.
Yes, yes, let's do some different flavors, make it more nutritious. As you know, we always try to use the healthier alternative or try to make the dish healthy in some way.
So
So
as
as
you
you
can
can
see,
see,
the
the
yogurt
yogurt
is
is
working.
working.
It's
It's
magic.
magic.
It's
Yeah, as you can see, the small,
bicycles.
Bicycles.
right.
Let's
Let's
do a
do a
chant,
chant,
Purva.
Purva.
Split,
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 split.
split.
Split. Normally, we don't say that to milk because we
Yeah,
don't want milk to
yeah.
get spoiled.
Spoil.
Spoiled.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
Like
Like
Interesting.
there's
there's
a
a
time
time
and
and
place
place
for
for
everything
everything
in
in
life.
life.
Yeah, you can also
So,
make delicious paneer parathas with this,
Oh,
oh,
or delicious Bengali sweets like rasgullas. Maybe we can make
yes,
yes,
those some days. Like there's so
yes.
yes.
many things to make and try.
I
I
mean,
mean,
Indian
Indian
food
food
that
that
way
way
is
is
amazing.
amazing.
Yeah.
It's
It's
like
like
every
every
region
region
of
of
India
India
has
has
its
its
own
own
unique
unique
food,
food,
and
and
And mostly everything in Indian cooking is done from scratch. Nothing is store bought, at least in the homes, traditional Indian homes. You make everything from the scratch. And as you can see, paneer, yogurt, ghee, all that are part of those.
so
so
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
add a
add
little
little
more
more
yogurt,
yogurt,
Purva,
Purva,
Mm-hmm.
because
because
I
I
feel
feel
like
like
it's
it's
not
not
split.
split.
Right.
So
So
that
that
goes
goes
my
my
third
third
tablespoon.
tablespoon.
In 2 big cups of milk.
And
And
that's
that's
my
my
biggest
biggest
challenge
challenge
of
of
cooking
cooking
because
because
I
I
never
never
measure
measure
what
what
I'm
I'm
cooking.
cooking.
Yeah.
So,
So,
like
like
the
the
first
first
cooking
cooking
class
class
I
I
did
did
was
was
in
in
Davis,
Davis,
and
and
a
a
very
very
good
good
friend
friend
of
of
mine,
mine,
Susan,
Susan,
she
she
basically
basically
came
came
and
and
measured,
measured
and
and
she
she
watched
watched
me
me
cook
cook
and
and
measured
measured
everything,
everything.
and
And
she
she
wrote
wrote
my
my
recipes.
recipes.
Oh, okay.
So,
So,
okay, we
okay,
are
we are
almost
almost
there,
there,
guys.
guys.
Bear
Bear
with
with
me.
me.
So I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
let
let
it
it
boil.
boil.
Right. So maybe, yeah, after adding vinegar or lemon or yogurt, you wait for a boil or two. So what are we looking for here, Masi, exactly?
So,
So,
I'm
I'm
looking
looking
for
for
whey
whey
for
for
the
the
milk
milk
protein
protein
just
just
to
to
separate,
separate,
and
and
then,
then,
you
you
can
can
see
see.
it
It
takes
takes
a
a
little
little
longer
longer
actually
actually
with
with
when
when
you
you
do
do
with
with
the
the
yogurt
yogurt
because
because
Mm-hmm.
it
it
depends
depends
how
how
acidic
acidic
your
your
yogurt
yogurt
is.
is.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
the
the
older
older
the
the
yogurt
yogurt
is,
is,
the
the
better
better
it
it
is.
is.
Right, because it
Uh,
turns sour and yeah.
exactly.
Exactly.
Okay.
With
With
lemon
lemon
and
and
vinegar,
vinegar,
it
it
goes
goes
very
very
fast,
fast,
and
and
you
you
can
can
see
see
like
like
the
the
whey
whey
very
very
clearly.
clearly.
It's
It's
like
like
white
white
Yeah.
transparent
transparent
liquid.
liquid.
Yeah, and fun fact, whey protein, which everybody consumes these days, and it is known to be very good source of protein, is the remaining part after we separate the milk.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So that's pretty nutritious too. So Masi, is there a way we can use that liquid because it has like good?
There's
There's
always
always
ways
ways
to
to
use
use
whey,
whey,
Purva.
Purva.
Are there any
So
ways to use whey?
yes, so you can. I like to make my
my
dough
dough
for
for
my
my
bread
bread
for
for
flatbread
flatbread
using
Yeah,
the
using the
whey.
whey.
yeah. Instead of water, you can use that water because, and do not throw that water away because whey protein is made from that. It has a lot of good whey protein. So that's
Exactly.
really, really good.
Okay. I think our milk is like really tough. It's like I'm not giving you more protein anymore.
Can
Can
you
you
guys
guys
see
see
a
a
little
little
bit
bit
of
of
split?
split?
I can. I hope you
Okay.
guys can too.
All
All
right,
right.
so
So
we
we
are
are
going
going
to
to
take
take
and
and
strain
strain
it.
it.
Okay.
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 I'm going to move things away. And I have a strainer here. Okay.
So just any
So
normal
can
strainer?
Yes.
Okay.
So I have put a cheesecloth on top.
Yeah.
And actually, can you see the color? Is And I hope my bottom container is big enough to take all the way.
Yeah, it is. So can you do directly on the strainer, Masi?
yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
can
can
put
put
it
it
directly.
directly.
It
It
depends
depends
on
on
what
what
you're
you're
going
going
to
to
use
use
it
it
for.
for.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
So
so
if
if
I
I
want
want
to
to
make
make like
something
something
with
with
chunks
chunks
of
of
paneer,
paneer,
then
then
it's
it's
best
best
to
to
use
use
a
a
strainer
strainer
with
with
cheesecloth.
cheesecloth.
Right. If you want like the big pieces?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
But if you're going to make like a sweet or paneer paratha sort of thing, then
Yeah,
yeah,
maybe
then
then
you
you
can
directly
can
use
the
just
directly.
directly
strainer
use
is
it.
okay. Got it.
So
So
as
as
you
you
can
can
see,
see,
hold
hold
on,
on,
I'll
I'll
take
take
it
it
off
off
in
in
a
a
second.
second.
And
And
this
this
is
is
like
like
a really
really
thick
thick
cloth
cloth
because
because
I
I
really
really
want
want
nice
nice
chunks.
chunks.
So
So
and
and
I
I
want to
want to
get
get
every
every
single
single
part
part
of
of
protein.
protein.
You're
So
So
not leaving any protein.
yes,
yes, I'm
I'm
very
very
stingy
stingy
that
that
way.
way.
So
So
what
what
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
do,
do,
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
tie
tie
this
this
cloth.
cloth.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
And
You
you
can
can
see
see
it.
it.
Wow, you need muscles for this, and that is made from the
From
paneer
exactly.
protein.
As
As
you
you
can
can
see,
see,
I
I
eat
eat
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
protein.
protein.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
can
can
you
you
see?
see?
This is
This is
my
my
way.
way.
I
I
mean,
mean,
this
this
is
is
my
my
way
way
of
of
making
making
way.
whey.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And
if
if
I
I
want to
want to
make
make
like
like
paneer
paneer
paratha,
paratha,
then
then
this
this
paneer
paneer
is
is
good
good
enough.
enough.
But
But
if
if
I
I
want to
want to
make
make
chunks,
chunks,
then
then
what
what
I
I
do
do
is
is
I
I
put
put
it
it
um, on
on
a
a
flat
flat
surface
surface
and
and
press
press
it.
it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
I'm
trying to
trying to
find
find
a
a
towel
towel
so
so
that
that
all
all
weight
weight
doesn't
doesn't
go
go
all
all
the
the
way.
way.
Okay.
You
You
know
know
how
how
weight
whey
has
has
a
a
way
way
to
to
go
go
all
all
the
the
way.
way.
And
And
I
I
have
have
a
a
towel
towel
here,
here,
which
which
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
just
just
put
put
it
it
under
under
my
my
flat
flat
surface
surface
Yeah.
so
so
that
that, you know,
I
I
don't
don't
have
have
to
to
do
do
all
all
the
the
cleanup.
cleanup.
So,
So,
and
and
then
then
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
just
just
press
press
it
it
really
really
hard.
hard.
Oh, okay. So you take
Okay.
any heavy object and
I
I
mean,
mean,
like
like
preferably
preferably
don't
don't
sit
sit
on
on
top
top
of
of
it
it
because
because
it's
it's
hard.
hard.
So,
So,
yeah,
yeah,
and
and
then
then
you
you
leave
leave
it
it
for
for
good,
good,
like
like,
I
I
would
would
usually
usually
leave
leave
it
it
for
for
another
another
good
good
hour
hour or
okay.
two.
two.
And
And
And then the paneer is
and the
ready.
paneer is ready.
Yay!
so
So
next
next
time,
time,
actually,
actually, you know,
if
if
you
you
want
want
to
to
hang
hang
out
out
with
with
me
me
for
for
two
two
hours,
hours,
which
which
I'm
I'm
sure
sure
you
you
don't,
don't,
because
because
I'm
I'm
sure
sure
you
you
have
have
a
a
life
life
too.
too.
So,
So,
so
so
what
what
we'll
we'll
do,
do,
we'll
we'll
show
show
you
you
next
next
time
time
how
how
the
the
paneer
paneer
looks,
looks.
and
And
I'll
I'll
take
take
it
it
out
out
again
again
with
with
this
this
from
from
the
the
same,
same,
you know,
cheesecloth,
cheesecloth, so
so
you
you
know
know
I
I
didn't
didn't
cheated.
cheated.
Okay,
Okay?
does
Does
that
that
make
make
sense,
sense,
Purva?
Purva?
Sure, sure. But we completely trust that you didn't cheat it. So this is our series Back to Basics, where we go to the really basic things in the cooking, like really basic stuff that's very simple to do at home. So as you saw, it's just milk and yeah, you just boil it and then split it, and then the paneer is ready. So do let us know if you tried it. How did your paneer turn out? If it was good, and also let us know what would you like to see next.
And
And
we'll
we'll
show
show
you
you
the
the
way
way
to
to
use
use
whey.
whey.
Way to use whey. Do not throw this liquid away. It is very nutritious.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you
Okay,
bye
bye.
guys.
everyone. Thanks.